First and foremost, the main reason was we had a leak. And it was from the second story coming down into the first story. So we needed something pretty much straight away. When we went to get a few quotes, my friend told me about Novale, and when they came out, the rep sort of told us everything about the waterproofing, and we just fell in love with the way that they do that. We chose Novale bathrooms through word of mouth. My friend actually informed us how good they were. So when we got the rep out, he was really, really good, went through absolutely everything, and the one thing that grabbed us was the waterproofing. It's like second to none. Oh, we're ecstatic, like it's amazing. Just the detail they went to, the way it was constructed, it was amazing. I couldn't be happier. Our experience was nothing like we've ever had before. We've renovated a few times. This experience was made the best by the trades that came in. They were gentlemen, they weren't just your average trades. Everything ran according to schedule. We had a supervisor who just organised everything. It was a fun experience if renovating could be fun. Yeah, absolutely. I would recommend. My husband and I loved the whole experience. From the minute they walked in, they covered everything. They were clean, they were precise, everything ran according to schedule. The trades that came in were funny. George was amazing. Yeah, Phil, our supervisor there, he made everything run according to schedule. We couldn't have asked for a better team. I would say definitely, absolutely 100% definitely go with them, because it's just the professionalism of the whole company, from head office to the trades to everything. Like, it's amazing.